make sacrifices. No room for jealousy, I've got no time to play hide and seek, 'cause eventually he'll surely find me. Have to be brave or better keep behaving. Count till I don't know what counts. Every inch of fear is all that's in vain. Can understand what's the solution. The problem is a mess in my brain. I'm pushed around with all the pressure to be here when I go where let's stay. There's gotta be some sort of exit to get away.
Olive, what are you doing?